In this video, we're diving into Monitask, a powerful all-in-one platform that helps with time tracking, employee monitoring, and task management. Whether you're a small business owner managing remote employees, a project manager looking to boost accountability, or a freelancer keeping track of client hours, Monitask is designed to give you a clear picture of how time is being spent and where improvements can be made. We're going to walk through everything from setting up your workspace, inviting your team, tracking time, managing tasks, and reviewing productivity reports. So, if you're tired of guesswork when it comes to managing time and performance, Monitask might just be the tool you need to bring structure and clarity to your workflow. So, before we get started, first let us know what is Monitask. Monitask is a cloud based employee productivity, time tracking, and project management platform. It's built for teams that work remotely, freelance professionals, and small to medium sized businesses that want better visibility over how time is spent across tasks and projects. So, what makes Monitask unique and powerful is that they have features such as time tracking with screenshots, employee monitoring and reporting, task and project management tools, data privacy and user permissions, and also affordable pricing with a free trial. So now let's get started. So simply head over Monitask's official website, and from here you can sign up for free or start your 10-day trial. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, welcome to Monitask. So we're going to show you how to get the most out of this product in a quick demo. So just click on next. So to invite your team, as you can see, we have this invite users section right here. So simply add their emails, their first name, their last name. You can also select their user roles, such as employee, team manager, co-administrator, and of course the projects that they are in. Let's go back. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So we have this demo data right here. So as you can see, this is all of your team members. So this is just demo data. So you will see if they are online. You will see their time worked or activity today. So as you can see, some has 4 hours and 58 minutes. You will also see their time yesterday and their time for the last 7 days. And of course, you can always filter all of this out. So just feel free to explore all of these buttons right here. Next is we have the timeline. So we will see the timeline of each team member. So let's say we want to see the timeline of this team member. So this is how it will look like. As you can see, you will see their application time. So they have open Google Chrome for an hour and 44 minutes, Skype for 9 minutes only. And you will see all of this screenshots right here also. So I think Monitask will screenshot every 10 minutes. So as you can see, from 12 a.m. to 12:10 a.m. So every 10 minutes, Monitask is going to screenshot the screen of your team member just to monitor their performance and what they are doing. Again, you can see also for the other team members. As you can see right here. So again, this is just sample data, but you'll just see this is how it look like. Next is we have the users. Again, you will see all of your team members right here. You can also add new users if you want. So you can either add a single, add bulk users, or import from a CSV or Excel file. Next, we have our projects. As you can see, this is the sample projects. We have a bunch of different demo projects right here. So to add a new project, simply click on add new projects right here. Add a single project, just fill up all of this information right here. And of course, if you want, you can import from a CSV file or add bulk projects. And to see the project details, of course, just simply click or edit. Let's see, let's open our own project. So you can see this is your project details. Next, you have the tasks. So this is all of the tasks that your team members will be doing. To add a new task, again, it's already right here in the top right of your screen. So what you can do is select the project for the task name, the priority, the status, time and date, the due time, and the original estimate, and of course, a description of the task. And if you want, you can add attachments such as files or photos. Next, we have the reports. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different reports right here, such as time entry details. You see, this is the reports of the tasks. So as you can see, this is the date, the project, the task, and of course, who is the team member who have worked on this. So you'll see reports all of their works. So you'll see reports of their tasks, reports of the clock in and clock out. You'll see it all right here. Visited sites, productivity, app and internet usage, monthly stats, accounting summary, idle time, and all of this reports right here. Next, we have our company settings. Of course, you just see. So I'll leave this up to you. So just feel free to explore all of the settings of your platform. It's just more. Of course, we have our team management right here, the time off, financials, such as payroll and invoices. So you can access them all of it right here. Next is the breaks. So you can create breaks for your team. So you also have your clients right here. You can add new clients. So basically, this is your contacts, and of course, your clients. Next is your timesheets. So you can create right here. And of course, integrations with popular platforms such as Jira, Monday, Trello, and all of this. So basically, this is all of the features of Monitask. So I recommend to you to explore more about all of these features. So I think the first thing you need to do is first invite all of your team members and of course ask them to follow your instructions and ask them to also explore more about the platform to help you leverage the platform for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.